Well, it's all back together. Kept that timing chain in there. Got the radio in there. Turned her up. Did the oil change. New air filter. Ran it for a bit. Everything below looks dry still, so at this point it's an improvement. You know, we'll see when we put some aisles on it where we're going to be, how it holds. So now I got the grill over here. Took it all apart. Started cleaning up the plastic. You know, from other grills, there's a raised edge here. See that? That's supposed to be like a silver, just on this horizontal edge here, all across through there, down through here. See a little bit left there. And I had a paintbrush and some model paint, and I started working on this, but it really started dripping over the edge, and it's not coming out good. Clean that back off, so I'm going to try something else maybe. If it doesn't work, I don't know. Might just keep it all black. I really want to clean this piece up. You know, clean up that lettering, the striping. Need to clean that up. Still got some rust remnants from the headlight rings. But then I kind of don't know where to go because I want to polish this a little bit. But then the paint probably won't stick. But if I clean it and repaint it, will I rub some paint off polishing it? So I gotta figure that out. Think about that. Took all the brackets off the back. I'll take them in, sandblast them down, repaint those. And I think back to that plastic grill, I might try a paint stick. I got a silver paint stick. If I could draw on here like a crayon, it just might work. I don't know. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.